the day I was born. My mama prayed, my daddy swore, but I kept kicking down every locked door. I was born with a spark my daddy couldn't kill, courage in my veins running uphill, a wildfire heart that never stays still. I was born with a spark my daddy couldn't kill.
What we did half? Yeah. All right, choose your half.
You don't call him my name.
All right.
Call him my phone. And I told you so.
All right, it's a nice thick piece here, bro. Phew, it's cold.
Hi, what you think?
Some light.
Hi, what you think? I did it right?
Spat on me, bro. Yeah. Wait, hold up. Now you're gonna add some.
Oh, you need to do that, bro. Last time I did that, it came off, bro.
You didn't do it right, bro. Phew. Kind of frozen, bro. It's kind of cold.
Ah, the sun's coming out.
Bro, I might microwave this thing, bro. It's too cold. Alright, I see yours. Alright, guys, rate his hookup. I mean, it's alright.
Alright, bro. Why are we hating now? Chilly.
You wanted to come in shorts, bro.
Bro, once again, bro, I wasn't gonna come in shorts.
Alright. Do your thing.
Take a drink.
Ladies. Shake your dress. Yeah. Put your product with the one. Yeah.
Where? You let me know. Leave them.
That's good.
I'll record.
I'll be the first one to cast out. Nothing crazy, you know? We gotta put the clicker on because we do not want the freaking ray to take our freaking rod in there. Yeah.
Kind of rusty.
Kind of rusty, bro. Okay, we put this in the shade here. We fishing.
Wait.
Cast? Yeah, over here.
Ready. Kind of rusty.
Look, leave it there, bro. They be on the. Oh, you want to cast a little farther?
Yeah, let's try that.
All right.
Oh my god. Reel it back. Yo, I bet you caught something.
Nah, bro.
Appreciate it. And I got some for you too.
Oh, appreciate it, bro. Alright, guys. This is what we snacking. Phew. I'm being so for real, bro. I got two. Oh, we're getting bit, bro.
You?
No, me.
Is that?
Look at the tip. Oh.
Yo.
Oh, it came off.
No way.
It came off. I felt it come off.
Continue.
Ah, it came off, bro.
But continue, man.
Bro, I was so fast. I should let it eat it, bro.
just continue reading in there, bro.
You saw it though, huh?
Yeah, I saw him bent. Bro, just reel it in, bro.
Whew, that's good.
That's
Put more line out.
more line up.
Yeah. That's good.
Show. Like
Okay,
that?
you cast over there, I'm gonna cast over here.
Alright.
Yeah.
Ready?
Go. Oh, I thought I hit the boat.
Oh.
Me. Bro, I could easily hit that boat right there. Alright.
I swear, Carlos.
Yo! He's hooked up!
I actually swear, bro. Yo!
Where's your line? Where's your line? Where's your line?
No clue.
No. Where's your line? Come on, go. Get over the thing. Get over the thing. Let go. Hold my rod. Get here. Come here. It's there's stingrays. Oh, might jump. Come here. You're good. Just try him out. Are we hooked on, bro? Careful's gonna go over the... Alright, I got you.
Yo, I think
Start walking that way.
I think we got something, bro.
Start walking that way. Oh, shoot. This guy got the GoPro on. Bro, I swear mine goes off too, bro.
Oh,
You're good. Let him fight. Wait, yeah. Okay, now we're walking this way. Bro, I swear if it takes mine too, bro. I swear.
yeah.
You're good. Keep fighting. You're good. You're good. You got all the time, bro. Oh, don't let it go. Just keep fighting. Keep going.
Yo,
It's right here. Come back. It's going onto the pillar, bro.
Yeah, it's under, bro.
It got you under the rocks.
Gosh, it came up.
You're lying.
I swear I felt it.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, actually?
Oh wait, it got stuck right here. Look. Keep going. It got you stuck right here. Look over the sand right here. Where is it? Oh, you saw someone. Keep going, bro. It's big.
Yeah, I know.
It's big, bro.
Bro, my arm's tired, bro. Does that bring it over here now? Oh,
Yeah.
Wait, right there, look at it! Yo!
Oh, it's small. I thought it was bigger. Oh, come over here.
It went over.
Yeah. Look, careful with the rocks because it might break the line. Okay, walk that way. Oh shoot. There you go. Walk that way. Walk. Yes, sir.
We're coming back.
Oh, yeah.
No, you're not going under the water, buddy.
It's already under the water, bro.
Oh, you're not gonna go more
What's
under.
your password? Oh, there you go. No, we're good. Yes, sir, he hooked on. Alright, keep going. I gotta watch my rod too.
Just bring it back. Just run it back in.
Keep going.
Come here.
Carlos is hooked on, yes, sir.
You brought the measuring tape?
It's in my backpack. Hold up. I'll just get down for now and then.
Yeah.
Alright, hold up. What? Oh, it's in here. There you go.
Look at that shit, bro.
Alright, hold it.
My glove, I want to put my glove.
You drop them.
Where my phone at?
Oh, it's right here.
I was like fishing to my parents, bro. To my family, bro.
Bro, look at that beauty, bro.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Come here. Ya, por fin agarré uno.
Oh, let me get the hook too, the hook.
Mira.
Let's go.
Por fin agarré uno.
Get the rod. Oh, let's go.
That's like the little thing that's poking out. Is
Yeah.
bigger, huh?
Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, your picture. Alright, give me your phone, I'll take a picture.
Yeah, take this. Yo.
Hold up, get on the side inside? Cause of the sun. Yeah, it's right here is better.
Go.
There you go.
That's, what's that?
26.
26 and a half. Okay, wait.
There you go. Don't be scared because. Let's get it. Let's have it.
I feel
Pressure.
so weird.
Here, hold. There you go. Don't drop it on the rocks.
Drop it on the rocks?
Don't drop it on the rocks.
I can just throw it in now?
Yeah, make sure you throw it nice far, it won't hit the rocks. Nice right there.
Yo!
That's good. There you go. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look. No way. No way, Carlos. No way, it came off. Oh my goodness. It came off. Bro. No. Bro. Look how it's barely hooked on. Guys, what the heck? Bro.
Bro, you got some bad luck.
Bro, what the heck? It's good, bro. They're waking up, bro. They're waking up.
They're waking up, bro.
They're waking up, bro. Bro.
Nah, bro. We ran from there all the way. Wait, the other piece is right here.
Where?
The other part
That's too
came
small,
up.
bro.
I'll just feed it to them. Oh, I'm so glad that Stingray finally moved, bro.
I'm telling you, bro. This is just like out of like recovery, you know? Bro.
But if I actually killed that, bro, oh my god.
You didn't kill it, bro. It's gone, bro. You left.
Yeah, but like if it would have to die, bro.
It's not gonna die.
That would have not been the same, bro.
I swear, bro. They be overreacting when they're out the water, bro. Like they can't. Stop acting like you can't breathe, bro.
Bro, it's a aquatic animal.
Hey guys, we got some food. But we gotta pray for the food, you know. All right. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this wonderful day. Thank you that we are here fishing. Please help us catch at least one more stingray, and please bless the food we're about to eat. In your name I pray. Amen.
Amen.
All right. Yo. Oh yeah, thank you.
Big Mac for the first time.
It's his first time trying a Big Mac, bro. He normally gets the McChicken spicy, something like that.
Yeah. Keep fire.
I swear, if it bites when I'm eating, bro. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh, I burned myself with the line. Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm not losing this fish. No. Okay, good. I thought I lost it, bro.
out there, bro.
It is, bro. Oh my goodness, bro.
You recording it, bro?
Yeah. Did I lose it? It's not fighting no more, Carlo.
You try to carry it out, bro. You carry it out.
You're lying, bro. You're lying. I'm still on this, I think. Oh, you're right. Oh, I'm still on there. Oh, you're lying, you're lying. Oh! Wait. Go under me, go under me.
I have to stop recording.
No, wait, no, let me go. Where's the... Wait, go under me.
Come on,
Oh, I gotta leave it there. Oh! This one's big, bro. Watch it be small, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Ah. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, bro. I'm tired, bro.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Bring it up. Bring it up.
Bro, it's heavy, bro.
Well, look at that bent, though.
Wait, never mind. Can you walk this way? Bro, it's not coming up. Yeah, it's a shark, bro? No, just kidding.
Imagine.
It's heavy, bro.
It's like right here, Carlos. Look, it's a whole.
What?
The dust cloud, or whatever it's called.
Oh, yeah, it was like here. Oh, shoot.
No way.
Oh, my arm, bro. I can't see either, bro.
Huh?
I can't see it either.
Oh.
Okay, it's right here somewhere.
Oh, no,
I see it. I saw it. Ugh. Bro.
Must have been. Come on, bro. You got it, bro.
Coach, let me out, coach. No, I'm just kidding. Bro, I can't like move it. Bro, I swear if it's a baby, bro. This baby is jacked. Oh, I see it, look.
Huh?
Oh, bro. Yo, it's
Yo.
Alright, move this way. Get my pliers
Where they at?
in the back. Oh my goodness, bro. Yo, look how big it is.
You want me to hold it?
Yo.
Here, go on.
No, take the. There you go. Here, hold it. I know you want to hold it, bro. Oh, bro, my arm. Yo, it's barely hooked on there. Hold up.
I know.
Alright, hold up.
Oh, that shit's big.
Yo. Alright.
I'll record.
Bro.
Alright, chat. Carlos Gavo, I can see it.
Bro, that's a beauty. Bro, that's hell of it. Alright. It's tired.
It's tired. It's just going along with it. You know what's best for it?
Just walking my Stingray, bro. Taking my Stingray out for a walk. No! You're lying. Alright. We can walk over here. Just casually walking my Stingray, guys. Yo, what? It's barely hooked. Hold up. It's barely hooked. Oh my goodness, bro. Alright, come here. No.
That's on you, bro. Yes, sir!
Yo! What up? I wanted to flip the other way, that's upside down. Flip the other way. Yo, flip the other way, bro.
What's the measuring tape?
It's in my bag.
I'll go look for it.
Alright. So, like, can you flip over, bro? No, bro. Alright. Bro, I can't reach it. Oh, shoot. Hold up. I don't want to fall. Alright, hold my rod. Hold up. Oh, wait, give me some more drag. There you go.
Well, actually, it's bigger than mine, bro.
Bro. I don't want to lose it. Hold up. No, do not come off, bro. Yo, no, where's the...
Need help?
Hold up, I don't want to like... Hold up.
You're like,
Bro, it's heavy, bro. I want to flip over, bro. Alright.
oh, it's no good camera angles, bro.
Oh, that's good. I got it. Oh my god.
Yo!
Oh my god.
Yo, that is not 26.
Mind helping me measure my stingray, bro?
I guess.
Good?
Right.
Right there? Yeah. 37, bro.
No way, 37. All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, sir. Alright, take my picture.
Carlos's Stingray here.
Wait, get my phone out of my pocket.
It's pretty slimy, honestly.
Wait, get my phone out of my pocket. My hands are slimy.
Ah, yo, no, 37?
Alright. Hold up.
Let me know.
Ready,
0.5?
if it looks good, yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna take this 0.5 now.
Alright.
Alright, one again. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and yes, sir.
Alright, now I'll carry it. Hold up.
Oh, okay.
Eat it.
Yo!
Picture. Oh, it's heavy.
The hook though.
Yeah, you're right. You wanna try to lift it, bro? It's heavy, bro.
Yeah. Can I try?
Yeah.
It's your Stingray, bro. I don't want, you know. I'll put a story. It's like a Stingray caught some light.
Something light, bro.
All that weight on the paint. Yo, I figured out my right. Oh, I really must make it.
There you go. Wait, try to carry it, bro. You can't. Try to carry it, bro. Oh my god.
That feels so horrible.
Excuse me. There you go. Hold up. Oh, there you go. Bro, it's hard to lift up, bro.
Flip forward.
No, try to lift it up like that.
Like this?
Yeah. No, grab it by the way where I told you.
Yeah, but I can't see where it's at. Right here.
2 hands. You need 2 hands for that.
I know, bro.
Let me take a picture. Let me take a picture.
I can't,
No.
Go.
Alright, put it on the ground. I'll put it back. I'll put it. Yo, don't slap it on the ground. Don't slap it on the ground, bro. Nah, you killed it for real now.
Alright, bro. Don't say that, bro.
Okay.
Oh, you need help?
No, okay.
Bro, that's humongous.
Ouch.
Wait, one more time.
I can't do it, bro.
Yep.
That's good.
That's 30. That's even 30.
Ouch. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Hold up. Bro, my shoe's wet. Hold up. I need to push it in. I need to push it back home. Oh, there you go. Oh my god. Oh. There you go. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're 101 now. He got one and I got one now.
Both?
Yeah.
Already?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh.
Aim for something small.
Yeah, we'll try.
It's what God blesses us with. Yes, sir!
Now we're gonna go home if we go. Oh.
What? Now, next go.
Oh, that thing was big, bro. I thought it was like a small one, bro.
Bro, that is not a small one.
I know, cause bro, they fight like equally, bro. Bro, the small ones fight bigger than fight the exact same as the bigger ones, bro. Bro, and we kept our hook, bro.
Huh?
And we kept our hook.
That's big too.
I know, bro. What a gentleman, bro.
He wants you, bro.
He want me for real. All right, wasting no time. This one's going back in.
We're 1-1 now.
Oh shoot, the freaking drag. That sounded horrible.
Keep up.
Oh my god. Bro, my gloves are slimy, bro. That's still not my PB.
For real? What's your max one?
It was also 37.
So I can pay just 38.
That's my PB.
No.
I burned myself because it was like taking off, and I put my thumb when the line was hot. Yeah.
Come on.
Bro.
Can we measure it?
Because I don't know why I brought them. I don't have to tape measure. That's why I brought it to measure. But it's like
It's
I don't
really
know.
short.
Yeah. I think it's only like 2 feet.
Ah, we're measuring those 3 and that's 2 feet.
All right, hold on. Look, yours was 26, 27.
27. Yo, she was 10 inches bigger than mine. Pause.
All right. Yours was right here. Mine's was right here. Bro.
Alright, bro, you can go home happy now, bro.
We can both go home happy now.
Wait, hold on. Alright, chat. We're going home now. Carlos got 1. He lost 1. I got 1. And I lost 1.
Next video, bro, we're gonna be shark fishing.
Stay tuned for next video. Sir.
I was born with a spark my daddy couldn't kill. Courage in my veins running uphill. A wildfire heart that never stays still. I was born with a spark my daddy couldn't kill.